Pancake became popular in America in 19th century when the use of baking powder began making the pancake fluffier. Around 87 million pancakes are consumed over a year in the USA. Welcome to today's delicious journey. We are going to dive into two incredible Taiwanese cakes that you will love. First, we have the rich and chocolatey Taiwanese chocolate Castella cake, and then we will make the light and fluffy Taiwan Castella cake. Both are simple to make but absolutely mouth-watering. Now let's start with the Taiwanese chocolate Castella cake. I will show you all the ingredients and walk you through each step. For the Taiwanese chocolate Castella cake, I will need the following ingredients: prepare 8 eggs, first sift together the cake flour, cocoa powder, and cornstarch. Make sure there are no lumps. Microwave the corn oil about 1 minute and 30 seconds until it reaches 19 centigrade. Immediately pour it into the sift flour mixture and stir well with an egg beater until combined. Melt your chocolate and add it to the flour mixture. Stir until completely melted. Then add milk and egg yolks and mix well to form a smooth batter. In a separate bowl, add salt and lemon juice. to the egg whites. Gradually add sugar in 3 portions while beating the egg whites until soft peaks form. Now gently fold the beaten egg whites into the chocolate batter. This will help make the cake light and airy. Once combined, pour the batter into the prepared cake mold. Place your cake mold into a tray filled with warm water around 17 centigrade. Then bake at 155 centigrade for upper heat and 165 centigrade for lower heat, about 65 minutes. This will give us that perfect soft texture. If you serve the cake pastry style, then cut the cake while it's still warm. This will ensure you get perfect and clean slices. Let's move on to the classic Taiwanese Castella cake. For this recipe, we will need cake flour, cornstarch, egg yolks, milk, egg whites, sugar, and honey. That's all a simple list, but the result is a light and fluffy cake. To begin, we need to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites in a one bowl. Heat vegetable oil, butter, and milk to 40 to 45 centigrade. Sea flour in. Add egg yolks and mix well until smooth. Then add honey and vanilla extract. Beat egg whites and add sugar in 3 batches. Beat until soft peaks formed and keep beating a little more, like 1 or 2 minutes, and on low speed. Add marinade to. Use a whisk to mix the two mixtures thoroughly, still mixing with whisk. Pour the batter into the tin and put it in a large pan. Bake in the oven at 150 centigrade for 55 to 60 minutes. If your cake is browning too quickly, cover it with foil and continue baking. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below with your favorite cake recipe. And if you try this out, share your result with me on social media.